So this pair of young kookaburras have been banging on my window all day. And so I've opened it. And now they're just sitting on the windowsill. I'm assuming there's some insects that they can see in here that they want to get at, but it's going to be interesting if they do come in, because it could be a bit of a drama getting them out. But they just like sitting on the windowsill now, so I don't know. We'll just see what happens. They're young adults. There's a pair of them. But for the last 2 days, they've been sitting in trees outside. Now off he goes. They were both sitting on that windowsill before. So I don't know. I don't know what's happening. This could all go pear-shaped when they get inside and I can't get them out. Well, a bit of an update on the Kookaburra story. They're trying to fly into here as well. So they were sitting on this window here, in this opening of my ensuite. So they're looking for a place to nest, I think. They come in here because it's the loo. This nest box here, just outside, which has had many a parrots in it over the years, has now been inhabited by a bloody possum. That's a cute possum that we have in Australia, not those mongrel things you have in America. And the kookaburras have been trying to get into it. Now, they're not trying to eat the possum because there's plenty of stuff to eat. If they really wanted to, they don't attack possums. Not that I've seen anyway. And so they want to get in there. So I think I'm going to have to build them a nest box. I've also had another pair of pale-headed rosellas, probably the siblings of the ones I had 6 clutches come out of this one here over the years. Then the possums got into it, and so I put another one in there with a smaller hole so the possums can't get in, so hopefully the pale-headed rosellas will come back into that. But I think, here we go. Did you see that? Old mate over there just come to attack the possum again. Where is he? Right there. See, they're looking for a home. That's what I think. So it's time to build another nest box. Right, so quick knock up of a bird box for the kookaburras. Didn't even have time to set up my proper workbench. I'm doing it on a camping stool. Anyway, this is roughly what we've got so far. So we'll just put this side on, put this other side on. We have to put another little porchy thing out the front here, because apparently baby kookaburras, their parents teach them to crap over a ledge or something. So you don't have to have a ledge for them to go over. So anyway, we'll give that a go. So we'll do this. Should get this done tonight, and I'll give it a coat of oil, and tomorrow, hopefully, we'll have it up, because they are bombing that other, where that possum is, which I don't really care, because the possum took over the bird's nest. So I say, come on. But anyway, it'd be nice for the kookaburras to have their own new nest box, so we'll crack on. Right, some glue down here. Make sure I put it the right way. That, it's almost a good fit. Be so nice to have a proper woodworking table and workshop, which I will be building in the new house down in Stirling. It will definitely have a proper wood workshop. And what I should have, if I'm doing it properly, a nice big clamp here. What do they call those things? I used to have them at school. I shall buy some of them too. Anyway, one thing I have bought, which I resisted for many years, was a nail gun or a brad gun. But they are so helpful, because I used to do all this stuff with a nail and you'd end up damaging it, like bashing it away, and you could never get anything neat because you'd be hitting it and you'd be. But nail guns are just, for this stuff, are great. Except when you go too close to the edge like that one. There we go. Much better. Proper woodworkers, look away now. Almost went on the wrong side of the line now. Always cut on the waist side of the line. So you put the little mark there. That's the side you've got to cut on, so you don't take the 2mm off from the saw. Let's see if we got that right. Right, I'm using a adjustable set square now as a guide to cut our angle for the roof. Well, yeah, the top, the roof. Make sure this time I don't put the nail gun the wrong way. Ooh, so I can push down. That's a better idea. Nice. So if I go down this way, I've got a better chance of being in the middle. Yes, that's better. See, I was doing this way before. I was going right. Okay. Ooh, nice. Nice. Good. Next side. Over there, make sure it's down there. This is where clamps would be really handy. Or a friend, but since I don't have either, nice. Right, well, there we go. It's our little Kookaburra box. So little, Kookaburras are quite big birds. Bit of a slopey roof, so a little doobie will go on there like that. Has to be a little porch thing made here with a cover over it. So we'll do that tomorrow morning and give it a bit of an oil up, and should be right to put it on the post tomorrow and see whether they go in it or not, or whether they really just want to kill those possums and get their nest box. That'll be a bit of a fight, but anyway, they were definitely looking somewhere to nest because they were sitting on my kitchen window again, just looking inside, and they didn't want food, so they were probably thinking maybe my bathroom's a good place to nest. Anyway, well, it's the next morning and I'll put another half hour or so into it, put a little toilet tray on the front, whatever they reckon. They go out here and crap over here, I don't know why they just can't do it out there. Anyway, that's what they reckon. And a really cheap ass lid, just made up of some hop-on skirting board that I'll never use. That's temporary. If the bastards go in at trendsetters, I'll put a better lid on with a hinge. But for now, they're just getting that because they may not even go in it. They're still harassing that possum. I don't know whether they want to eat him or whether they want to use his nest box. I don't know, but they're still trying to get into my house, sitting on windowsills, so they think they want to get inside. Anyway, we'll chuck this up in a spot on the wall, and I'll give it a quick lick of oil first, and we'll see what happens. With the nest box now on the wall, it was time to sit back and see what happened. And you wouldn't believe it, within a couple of hours, Mum had already sussed it out and was out looking for some nesting material. Right, well, it's been up for a couple of days now, and what I had to do in the first few hours, Mum was banging the inside of it, obviously trying to dig out some nesting material. So I had to go and sieve some mulch and put in, because it was like someone banging on a wall there. And this wall behind me here, where it is my Airbnb room. So the guests hopefully weren't wondering what the hell was going on. Anyway, so we fixed that. She's a lot happier now that there's some soft material in there. And she's been busy getting material in there. So let's hope, fingers crossed, that there's some eggs on the way. So this is part 1. So after Christmas, this is coming out after Christmas. Anyway, we'll update you in a week or two, a couple of weeks, and hopefully we'll have some little baby kookaburras. How neat would that be? Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the update of the old kookaburra nest box. Thanks for watching. Hooroo for now. Bye-bye.